Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to find combo card in Hamster Combat. Looking to get the upper hand in Hamster Combat? Then you will want to find the powerful combo card. Here's how. Step 1. Check your inventory to see if you have already unlocked the combo card. If not, head to the shop. Combo cards are often available as special items, but they don't come around every day. Another great way to unlock combo cards: complete daily quests. By finishing challenges, you can earn rewards and sometimes even combo cards as bonuses. Keep leveling up too. Combo cards can become available as you reach higher levels, so don't skip those battles. Finally, watch out for a reward chests. You might just find a combo card waiting inside, giving your hamster that special edge to dominate the arena. Now go get that combo card and let the combat begin.